So we have got the peas now, and they're looking still very anemic, sort of yellow. They've really pushed up with that weight on them. So that's looking like it should, and it needs to go in light now. So what I'm going to do is give them a sprinkling of water, good sprinkling of water, because peas, they've got real big root ball on them. So don't be afraid. And obviously, as you put them into the light, they're going to start colouring up. So I'm going to do this, and then I'll show you in the next one about side watering. This coir tray, obviously, if you're putting it onto painted wood shelves and stuff, just be mindful of the bottom because of the dampness. So the parchment paper that I used to cover over can be used underneath, or you can put them, the shelves that we've obviously had made, these will fit on there actually, but as they grow and get to a certain height, they will need to go on the top of that shelf. But as that grows and gets there, I'll be checking in. So happy days for the peas on day 8.